So today we'll be making Caribbean meat patties. So for the ingredients we will need mince, ground turmeric, all-purpose seasoning, chili powder, curry powder, garlic, onions and thyme. We'll also need some fry light olive oil. And to make the pastry we'll be using self-raising wholemeal flour, and we need an egg to garnish. Also butter and water to mix the flour and the butter together. So for the pastry you will need your wholemeal flour, and with that you will add your turmeric, chili powder and curry powder together in one bowl, like that. And you will add the butter, and you just use your fingers and mix together. So now we have added the water, this is what your pastry should look like. It should be. So we'll just start to roll. So for the fillings for the patty we will use 7 sprays of fry light oil, add the garlic and onions along with the carrots, and half a teaspoon of sugar, and we will saute that out for like 10-20 minutes or until it's soft. So now that we've done the filling and the pastry, we used a saucer to cut the pastry out. We're going to add the filling to the pastry, to the centre of the pastry, not too much, try not to overload it. Get some water just to seal the pastry and run your fingers around the edges. Like that. And then fold the pastry over into like an half moon, and get a fork and just paste the edges to seal it all together so the filling doesn't come out. And there we have our patty.